Hello viewers, welcome back to Machine Art Channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Today on this channel I will be doing a tutorial on how to make licorice root oil. Guys, you know licorice is a plant, right? It has its leaves, its back and its roots. So the root is used in cosmetology a lot to take or correct hyperpigmentation. It can even skin tone. Then it has other herbal or health benefits, guys. It's anti-inflammatory, is antibacterial, antifungal, and so on and so forth. You know, when we say inflammatory, it means swelling. If any part of the body, especially the organ called liver that synthesizes blood, was supposed to get swelled up or swollen, licorice roots can correct it. Now, why is all this possible, guys? All this is possible because of the substance called glycyrrhiza or glycyrrhizin. You know, the botanical name of licorice is Glycyrrhiza glabra. Yes, guys, it's a beautiful botanical name, right? Just as the name implies, its benefits are also beautiful. Now, you can use licorice root to make an oil infusion and do what? And use this oil to make lotion for the skin. It will give you a beautiful skin. You can use this oil on its own, guys, and the results will be amazing. There are people with some deep spots that this oil can take off, just that you don't use too much of it, and don't use oil that is kind of sticky. All right, guys, so you find a very light oil like olive oil, like almond oil, and do what? And proceed to making your licorice or licorice root oil. Have you ever seen what licorice root looks like? This is an example of what licorice root is. I just took a little from the licorice root I bought. I actually bought 1 kg of licorice root. Then I took a little so that I will use to make licorice oil. So guys, to make licorice oil, you need a base oil. You can see I did not really set up the background to be kind of, you know why? Because it's so easy to make, right? So to make licorice oil, you need a base oil. I'm using olive oil, guys. Here I have with me 200 ml of the base oil. Then I have 100 grams of licorice root, guys. All right, so let's proceed. All you need to do is to wash off this root thoroughly with salt water 3 times and drain it. Ensure it's dry. Pour the oil in a closed container and do what? And put these roots right in. Drop the roots one after the other. All right, as you drop these roots, drop it and drop it and drop it and drop it and drop it, drop it. All right. All right, guys, so you keep it in a cool, dry place for 2 weeks. then strain it afterwards and have your pure licorice oil. You can still add more oil to the roots because the root will still be effective. Now use this oil on your skin as your skin oil, or you can use it to make your cream or add it to your body cream or body lotion for a beautiful result, guys. Please subscribe to Machine Art channel for more uploads. Thank you.